To fix the Chime app from crashing, you can follow the simple troubleshooting steps. Forcing close and restart. This is the most common and immediate fix for temporary glitches. Just close the app completely and then reopen it. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Poor connectivity can cause the app to fail when trying to sync data. You can also restart your device. Turning your phone off and on again can clear minor system issues that might be affecting app performance. Now let's head on advanced fixes. Check your device app store for the latest version of the Chime app. Outdated apps can become incompatible with newer operating system or have known bugs that have since been patched. You can also clear the app cache. If you are on Android device, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve corruption issues without a full reinstall. And that's our fix if your Chime app keep crashing, and thank you for listening.